So here's the truck after adding some custom stickers, decals that I bought online as well. And I got these Suzuki stickers at the back, and I also bought an LED, sort of an extension upgrades, I would say, which I add on the LEDs on this truck. So if I switch on, there will be lights at this body here on the side, another extra light at the bottom of the headlights, and we got tail light as well. And it's very cheap, and it's just plug and play. You don't need any soldering, just plug in the LEDs at the motherboard, and then I pretty much hot glue gun the wiring to the body, and the LED just nicely fit to the compartment there on the light compartment. And I also nail polish the electronic part so it's weatherproof. So it's a really nice truck, really cheap, affordable, and I don't think I'll do any upgrades on the other parts because I just, you know, wanted to have it look really scale looking model. I mean, whatever I've done on this truck for now, I think I'm happy with it. So yeah, here's the back.